Why, hello there. It's great to see you here. Welcome to NoCodeNerd, episode 33. We're talking about Printful today. So Printful is so cool. I built a couple of little businesses like this, or at least ideas for businesses, through my show, Entrepreneur. Basically, what Printful let you do is it lets you drop ship just about anything that you could ever imagine, like apparel-wise, right? So I'm going to go to product templates, and I'm going to go and click create my product template. So check all this stuff out. Men's clothing, women's clothing, hats, accessories, home and living, kids and youth, sweatpants. They even have things like, what is it? Where was it? They're like swimsuits. There are accessories. We have face masks, keychains, all this. You can customize all this with your own personal logo, your own personal brand, your own personal design, your own personal anything. They even have duffel bags, laptop cases, tote bags, iPhone cases, everything. Just about everything that you wear or use on a daily basis that you could possibly imagine, you can now completely custom make and sell for free, and you get a pretty good cut of everything. They ship it for you, they send it for you. It integrates with a lot of other tools. I've integrated with like tools like Gumroad, which I've done a video on before, to just sell stuff. Right? Here's a good example. This is Speedrunner Mario. A very goofy example of a very poor little thing. I just threw this together in a few minutes. But if you click buy my product right here, you scroll down and you click small, medium, or large, and it's connected. I connected the little Gumroad button here to Printful on the back end. So whenever somebody buys something through Gumroad, it ships to them. It just ships to them, and I get paid. It ports right to my bank account. It is such a cool system. I built Dead Startup shirts on this. DeadStartupShirts.com. Right? All these different Dead Startup shirts. MoviePass, Juicero, Theranos, MySpace. I have Entrepreneur there as a joke, so if you want to buy an Entrepreneur shirt, you can get it at DeadStartupShirts.com. But I built this on Webflow with the back end on Printful. It's super easy to use. So if you need to sell anything physical that people might wear, merch, or just about anything else that you want like custom designed for you with your logo or your design, use Printful. It's unbelievably easy, and they have great reward systems. It's a lot of fun. So, very cool. Bringing the no-code digital space into the physical world. Let me know if you have any questions about how this might work and how you might be able to use it for your business, and I will see you in the next episode.